7 best tips for lovebird breeding. First of all, use natural hanger. Never use plastic or steel hanger in your lovebird cage. Those hanger may glide on mating time, so use wood sticks or bamboo sticks. Secondly, provide proper breeding cage. Ensure at least 24-inch by 18-inch cage. Use at least 12-inch breeding box for breeding. Thirdly, ensure calcium source. Most of the pregnancy complication done because of calcium. So, ensure cuttlefish bone and mineral block in your bird cage. Fourthly, maintain proper diet. Make sure quality seed mix, soft food and egg food regularly. Fifth, change water daily. Most of the disease came from dirty water, so change water at least once a day. Sixth, privacy must. For quality breeding birds needs privacy. So set your bird cage in a sound place. They need a peaceful nest where no one disturb them. Seventh, rat or cockroach. Most of the bird get scared if any cockroach or rats are available in your house. So ensure that rat or cockroach don't disturb your birds. So guys, please maintain above tips for better birds breeding. Thanks for watching.